Hello dear friends, welcome to Tech channel. In this video, how to remove someone from close friends on Instagram. So watch the video till the end, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell. Let's go. Open Instagram, click your profile, click your setting on activity, click close friends, okay? Very easy. Just place it in my close friend. If you want to get out of close friend, just turn off the text. For example, click done. Very easy. My close friend 0. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Tech channel.